Morning students. Today's in this class we are going to discuss about the that is your seconds, minutes, hours and the month. Okay. As I told you in the previous class that is what the 60 seconds 60 seconds max what 1 minute, right? And 60 minutes again 60 minutes make 1 hour, right? Again 24 hours make 1 day. This was told yesterday. Okay. Next, similarly for 7 days max 1 week. Okay. 4 weeks max what 1 month. Okay. And total 12 months max what 1 year. Okay. Or we can say in the days what 365 days max 1 year. This is in terms of days. Okay, 1 year, not years. 1 year. This is one about 7 days equal to 1 week, and 1 year has total how many weeks? You can take how now 12 months equal to 1 year. 7 days equal to 1 week, right? So 4 week equal to again 1 month, right? So in 12 months, how many weeks are come? It coming 12 into 4 is equal to what? Sorry, that is 12 into total 52 weeks is equal to 1 year, or a year has total 52 weeks. Okay, a year has total 52 weeks, right? And the days of the weeks, there are how many days? 7 days. What are they? Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Friday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, right? These are the 7 days of the week. And how many months are there? 12 months in a year. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November and December. Now we will say, students, one thing here I must like to say that not each and every month are equal. Okay. A month can have 30 days, 31 days, 20 days, 28 days, not 20 days, 28 days or 29 days. Okay. Very specially, we can say the 30 days wala. Okay. 31 days. What are the 31 days? January, March, May. Okay. January, March, May, July, August. This month have 31 days in a month. Okay. And next come to 30 days. Okay. 31 is the maximum days within a month. It comes. Okay. Then September, April, June, November. This month has 30 days in a month. Okay. Next, come to 28 days or 29 days. Okay. Another one is what? Left one, that is February. It is a special month which has 28 days and sometimes it has 29 days. Okay. 29 days, when it has 29 days, 29 days it will have 29 days in a leap year. When there is a leap year, then February is having 29 days. You must have seen in 2020, in the year or the last year, it went, okay. In the year 2020, it was divisible by 4. Okay? 4 5 are 20, 4 5 are 20. 505, sorry, not 505. So, it is the year which is divisible by 4 are said to be the leap year. And that is why, students, leap year comes after each 4 years. Okay? हर 4 साल में एक बार लीप ईयर आते हैं. लीप ईयर इसलिए हम बोलते हैं कि ये 4 से डिविजिबल होना जरूरी है. और जब लीप ईयर होता है तो फरवरी के महीने में हमें 29 डेज देखने को मिलती है. अदरवाइज अभी जो है 2021, दिस इज नॉट डिविजिबल बाय 4. ओके, सो इसमें अब मिलेगा 28 डेज. और यहाँ पे आपको याद होगा कि 2020 में फरवरी में 29 डेज हुआ करते थे. अभी 2021 में फरवरी में 28 डेज होंगे. आप कैलेंडर पे देख सकते हैं. ओके, नाउ वी विल सॉल्व सम रिलेटेड प्रॉब्लम्स. ओके, related problems, how to convert the different month, year, minute, second, hour, etc. to the respected questions or the given question like this. Okay, you must have go through the exercise as per your homework. Okay, so you convert 5 months and 12 days. Okay, 5 months and 12 days into days. 5 months plus 12 days into days. Okay, dash dash. How would you count? 5 months. Genuinely, a month is taken as having a 30 days. Okay, genuinely. So this is equal to what? 30 days plus 12 days equal to how much? 30 plus 12. 42 days. This is the conversion. Okay. Similarly, 6 weeks into 6 weeks and 2 days. 6 weeks and 2 days is equal to days. days. कितना days होगा? ठीक है. 6 week इक्वल टू कितना days होता है? एक week में 7 days होता है. तो 6 week में कितना होगा? इंटू हो जाएगा. 6 into 7. 6 7 या 42 days plus 2 days is equal to what? 44 days. Okay. Similarly, convert 3 hours plus 20 minutes. 20 minutes is equal to dash minutes. Okay. We can say 3 hours. 1 hour is equal to how many? How much minute? 60 minutes, right? So 3 hours equal to how much? 3 into 60. 3 6 is 18. So 180 minutes plus 20 minutes. How do you count? 3 into 60. 3 6 is 18 and 0. 180 minutes from plus 20 minutes. That is equal to how much? 200 minutes is the answer. Okay. Very simple. Similarly, hence you will write that 3 hours and 20 minutes is equal to what? That is 200 minutes is the answer. Okay, is the answer. Similarly, we can convert the 4 minutes 30 seconds into seconds. Okay, 4 minutes 30 seconds. Okay, first you put like this This is the way how to do. 1 minute equal to 60 second. 4 minute equal to how much? 4 into 60 is equal to what? 240 second. Right? Next प्लस 30 सेकेंड, इसमें हमें 30 सेकेंड ऐड करना है, तो ये हो जाएगा कितना? 270 सेकेंड. सो वी विल राइट व्हाट as per the conclusion or the final answer. We can write that is 4 minutes and 30 seconds is equal to 270 seconds. Since 6 days, convert 6 days into 6 days into hours. Okay. How to convert? Yes. 1 day equal to how much? 24 hours. 1 day equal to 24 hours. So 6 days equal to 6 into 24 hours. Right? This is equal to how much? 144 hours. Okay. This is what you are asked to do. Okay. Question number 1, fill in the blank. Question number 2, find the leap year. Leap year means that must be divisible by 4. Okay. If it is not divisible, then this is a not leap year, or that is called non-leap year. Question number 3, find the non-leap year. That means which one is not divisible by 4. How many days are there in the leap year? 366 days. 1 day will be extra. Okay, 1 extra day. Normally we are having what? 365 in a year. That is not a leap year. So when the February is 28 days. Okay. So in the leap year February will be what? 29 days. That means 1 increment is here. So this will be 366 days. Okay. Now convert the days, convert the etc. We do that. We did on the blackboard. Okay. You can do. Your exercise homework is SW is equal to exercise 59. Okay. Thank you, students. Have a good day and